Hello, my dear students. Previously, we learned about translating English to math, such as 2 times of a number increased by 5. That's what we practice, translating English to math. And also, previously, we learned about how to solve linear systems, such as 2x plus 3y equals 4. And 5x plus 6y equals 7. If you get a linear system questions like that, you know how to find out the solution. So with this assignment standing in front of you, we are combining the two applications we did previously. The sum of two numbers. So there is two numbers x and y, and sum of them equals 1584, and their difference is 58. X minus y is 58. Find the two numbers. Now we translated this from English to math, and we are going to solve the linear systems. So I'm going to use the elimination method. It's so easy. Y's will cancel out. Remember, there is no number means 1. So this will be 2x equals, let's add 1500 with 84. 1584 with 58, I'm sorry. 1642. Let's write that down. 1642. And we want to leave x alone. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Boom, boom. X would be equal to 821. Okay, let's use the calculator. Divide by 2. It should be 821. And now I know what the x is. I'm going to figure out the y, and I want to deal with small numbers. Therefore, I'm going to pick up the bottom equation, which is x minus y equals 58. X minus y equals 58. And now I know the x, which is 821 minus y equals 58. I'm just gonna do this part as fast as I can. Pass me if you would like to. 58 minus, sorry. Okay, I paused the video. There was an announcement. So this is minus y. That was going to the other side is 821 minus y will be 58 minus 821. It's almost the same thing if you subtract the other way around. Minus 58. I am just gonna make sure I have the subtraction negative sign. 763. 763, which is negative. So once again, 58 minus 821 is minus 763. And this means 1, right? Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Y would be positive 763. So 763 plus 821. When you add them, you will get 1584. When you subtract them, you will get 58. I find the solution. Let's move on. Next question we have here says, Pat is 3 times older than her dog. So I'm immediately gonna give x's and y, so I know what I am doing. Pat, I'm gonna say Pat is x. The dog, I'm gonna say dog is y. So again, Pat is 3 times older than her dog. So her dog is y, right? So multiply that 3 times. That is equal to Pat's age today. And let's continue. So I am still translating from English to English to math. 4 years ago, That means it's going to be x minus 4, it's going to be y minus 4. Both of their ages should be subtracted. 4 years ago, she was 7 times older. So that means 7 times 4 years ago, y minus 4 equals to Pat's age, but 4 years ago. So now I got this equation done. I translated from English to math. I'm gonna organize this equation. So, oops. Okay, that was just bad. Okay, so 7 times y is 7y. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28 equals x minus 4. Let's keep organizing. 7y minus x equals, I just moved this to the other side of the equation, and I did make sure I changed the sign. Keep negative 4 and move 28 to the other side, and make sure you change the sign as positive plus 28. 7y minus x equals 24. So this is my second equation. This is my second equation. The one on top is my first equation. Now using both equations, I will find out x and y. So let's go back. 3y equals x. So wherever I see x, 7y minus, I can write down 3y equals 24. Substitution. That's the substitution system I am using here. It's easier for me. And what is 7y minus 3y? That is 4y equals 24. And divide by 4, divide by 4. Y would be 6. And what's the question? Question is, how old is Pat's dog? So it's asking about y, and I just find out y. I am done. So what we are doing right now, dear students, let's practice.